Well, the title says it all, doesn't it? The P38, the M57 swapped Rangey. It's up for sale. Right, so I know I'm going to get a million questions. Why am I doing this? What am I planning to change to? You know, all those sort of questions. So today we're going to talk about the truck briefly. It's not featured on the channel a whole lot, so we'll have a look at it, and then yeah, we'll address all those questions. You can probably tell I'm a little bit gutted. I'm certainly a little bit apprehensive about letting this thing go. I know that in a few years I'm sure I'll regret it. This is a very one-off wagon. It's really cool, and yeah, I don't think I need to say much more. You guys can definitely probably tell that I'm a little bit disappointed to be having to say goodbye to this thing, but it is for the better. Yeah, let's go for a drive. For those of you who don't know, it's a Range Rover P38, originally a 2.5 diesel. It's got the M57 out of a BMW swapped into it, so that's a 3 litre turbo diesel, same block size, so it pretty much bolts in, but yeah, bigger internals and far more power availability, I guess you'd say. It's been tuned to around 250 horsepower, so at fair boogies. Yeah, it's a beautiful vehicle to drive. So other than the engine swap, it's also on a 2-inch lift, coil converted. It's got front bar work, skid plates. It's also had a winch slapped on the front of it, and I've just put a new set of wheels on it actually. Far out. Yeah, it's also just had a new set of wheels slapped on it. So it's got these beautiful terra firma alloy wheels, which are beadlock ready. So it came on those, but I've just changed out to a set of 33-inch Maxxis Razrs. So with those on it, it just looks schmack as. So yeah, not gonna lie, when I bolted those up, I kind of pinched myself a bit of the old "what are you doing" sort of thing. What are you doing selling it? So why I'm selling it, it's a good question, and to be honest, I know I'm gonna regret it. So you've just got to trust me, guys. Like, I've thought about it long and hard. I mean, I say you should trust me, but I still haven't even decided myself if I'm doing the right thing, but I think I am. Why am I selling this truck? It's so good to drive. As you can tell, I'm so torn. But basically, I've got some more plans I'm wanting to tackle, and I need to unlock the funds. Basically, I bought this because I needed a powerful tow vehicle. Plans kind of changed. And I'll explain it more once we, you know, sell this thing, assuming it sells. If it doesn't sell, there's going to be a big part of me that is going to be quite pleased, because I really don't want to see this thing go. But if it sells, what I've got around the corner is going to be even bigger and better. Obviously, I can't really address it until we get there. However, there's some cool plans. Basically, I just want to progress the channel, do more adventures, do more driving. It's hard to explain without getting really in depth, but yeah, if you are interested in buying this vehicle, I will leave a link in the description to the Trade Me advert. It's an auction for those of you who want to know. It is starting price at 15 grand, no reserve, so it's a lot of truck for the money, that's for sure. Like, you would not even get close to building something like this for that. So it doesn't come on the fancy boy wheels. Those I'm going to hang on to unless someone wants to pay extra for them. If someone wants to pay extra, then that's fine by me. They can have the wheels. But yeah, it looks so good on the new Razrs. I'll stop up ahead and show them to you. But yeah, they look real sharp. Yeah, man, just driving this truck, I'm really having some second thoughts. Really having some second thoughts, but got to do what's right. Like, in my heart, I want to hang on to it, but in my head, I know it's for the best to move this thing on. So I'll pop you guys down on the road and do a couple flybys. I've never actually really shown this truck on camera much. It's mostly just been a daily and doing odd jobs, but the 3-inch exhaust straight through with one muffler, it sounds unreal, eh? So pop you down on the road, find a back road, and do a couple flybys. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna miss the sound of the 6-cylinder singing away. It sounds so good, so good. But yeah, I'm gonna miss it. Really gonna miss it. Controversial call, I know. However, personally, I think I actually like these. I like the sound of these more than the Rover V8s. They're a blooming hard to beat motor, that's for sure. I'll wind the windows down and we'll see if we get a wee sound clip for you. Just like that, we're at 100. I need to hang on to the camera. We're going coming up to some bends. Oh, it's too good, guys. Why am I doing this to myself? What am I doing? Oh, I don't generally give it full throttle away. I just forgot just how speedy that is. Anyway, as I said, I'll chuck you down on the ground and do a flyby or two. Knock it down into third and moving. It actually goes better on the new 33s than the old tyres because the larger diameters increase the gearing, and this has got so much torque that I reckon that actually has made it quicker. That's very unusual, but yeah, these 33s are good. I've never driven on the Razrs before. I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Alright guys, well, that's the wee journey done and dusted. Definitely going to miss this thing, but as I say, it is for bigger and better things, believe it or not. It's kind of hard to believe given that it's kind of my dream truck, but anyway. I did mention that I've put it on a set of 285/75 Razrs. They look super good, as usual. Thanks to Don at Fraser Engineering for getting those sorted. If you need any Maxxis tyres, hit him up, tell him I sent you there. So yeah, they look awesome. The truck looks so cool. Totally changed the look of it because I've been rolling around on factory alloys for a while, which is definitely, I mean, I love the look of it, but it definitely looks quite, I guess, factory, whereas this just looks so tough. So yeah, take another look at it. As I said, if this is something that interests you in purchasing, I'll leave a link down below, or just go and have a nosy at it, have a wee gander. It's an awesome wagon. I'm going to miss it. I've said that a million times, but it's true. Far out, I'm still not convinced on selling it, but I got to do it. Got to do it. Anyway, bit of a short video, bit of a different one. Thank you for watching anyway. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for everything we've got coming. The new build. Because yes, you've probably guessed by now, there will be a new build along with trips, everything else we got going. Lando's making a return soon, like a return. Got the parts ordered, got the new wheels coming for it. Well, the wheels you've already seen, but being reconditioned. So Lando's going to be making a comeback. There's going to be a new vehicle on the channel, or a couple new vehicles on the channel. Anyway, enough waffling. We'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you then. Cheers, guys. I've just put a new set of wheels on it actually. Far out.